Great scholars, let us solve more problems on perimeter of rectangles. Please, I want you to take note of this. The idea you already have regarding perimeters that has to do with adding all the sides. The same idea is applied to other polygons. All shapes that have straight edges. If you're asked to find the perimeter of those shapes, just add the side of those shapes. For example, you can demonstrate this practically using the matching sticks or the sticks of matches. Like, if I arrange two sticks here, two sticks of matches, and I put one here, put two here, and put one here. You understand that I have two sticks, one and one. If I count all the sticks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. So that is what we do in mathematics when we draw a rectangular shape and decide to put 2 centimeter here, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and the perimeter is simply 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, which will give us 6 centimeter. It's the same thing. If you're to do that of a trapezium, for example, a matching stick here, put 1 here. Let me say 3 this time around. Put 1, put 1, put 1, put 1, then put 1 here. You see, you have how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So since I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, I want to draw the shape. Mathematics is practical. So here will be 1, 3, 1, and 4. So if you are to find the perimeter of this trapezium, that will be 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, and that will give you 9. Your answer is 9 units. If there's no specified unit in a given problem, ending with units, the word units, so the examiner will decide the exact unit that is actually meant for such a problem. Now you can see the practical view of what we have been trying to discuss all this while. That is a practical view. Let us solve some complex problems that the senior secondary school leaders will also likely see in their examination. Look at this problem. More problems. As number 1, if the perimeter of the shape below, or the below shape, is 20 centimeter, find the unknown side. Here's the shape below. And it's 4 centimeter. You're asked to find, they said, if the perimeter of this shape is 20, which means I've already given you what the perimeter is. If the perimeter of the shape below is 20, find the unknown side. So they have given you what the perimeter is to be 20. All they want to do is to find the unknown side, which is x plus 2 centimeter. This is already known, this is 4 centimeter. So the first thing you do is to state your mathematical formula for perimeter of rectangles or this type of shapes. Solution. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now that we know that the perimeter is 20, I gave you 3 formulas in finding perimeters of rectangles. I am using the third formula directly. You can use one that has to do with perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W, or perimeter is equal to L plus W plus L plus W, if you'll be able to deal with the unknown properly. But I'm using the third one directly. P is equal to 2 into L plus B. My length is this and my breadth is this. So I will have P is equal to 2 into, in place of L I'll write X plus 2, in place of B I'll write 4. That is it. I can deal with what I have inside as P is equal to 2 into X plus 6. By expansion, P is equal to 2X plus 12. Recall the question was perimeter is 20. So in place of P, I'll write 20 is equal to 2X plus 12. This is a simple algebraic equation. I want to find X, so I need to take plus 12 to the other part of the equation. So I'll be having 20 minus 12 is equal to 2X. That will become 8 is equal to 2X. To find X, finally, you need to divide both sides by 2, or simply take the 2 that is attached to X, which is by times, to the other part of the equation. That becomes a divisional, or the inverse of times. That will be division. So I'll have 8 over 2 is equal to 2x over 2. This will cancel this, and this will be 4. Therefore, 4 is equal to x, which also implies that x is equal to 4. So our x is 4. Our x is 4, but that is not all. The unknown side is not actually 4. The unknown side is not actually 4, but the unknown side is x plus 2. So that unknown side, therefore, x plus 2, which was given to us in that, will be, in place of x, I write 4 plus 2, that will give us 6 centimeters. So the actual triangle that we actually meant to solve was 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now let's verify if our answer is correct. If you choose to complete it by 6, here by 4, add everything together. Perimeter is 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. I'll give you 20 centimeters, which was the actual problem given to us in the problem, in the question there. So you can see our answer is 6 centimeters. So this part, which is the unknown, is actually 6 centimeters. This is how you deal with problems that have to do with issues that are in that form. Let's see if we can solve another problem here quickly. Similar problem of such. Let me clean here. Similar problem. Let's see if we can deal with that quickly. Let's look at this problem. That if the perimeter of the below shape is 38 centimeters, find the unknown size. This is the shape. You have y plus 6 centimeters, then you have y minus 3 centimeters. It's simple to also deal with. State the formula solution. The formula is perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. The perimeter given to us is 38 centimeters. Is equal to 2 into, in place of L, I'll write y plus 6. In place of breadth, I'll write plus y minus 3. That is it. Deal with what you have inside the bracket. That will be 38 is equal to 2 into y plus y is 2y, and 6 minus 3 is plus 3. That is the answer. That will be 38 is equal to, expand the bracket or open the bracket, 2 times 2y is 4y, 2 times that is plus 6. Collecting like terms or trying to make y the subject, I'll have 38 minus 6 is equal to 4y. 38 minus 6 will give us 32 is equal to 4y. We can now find y from here. We can now find our y. Let's see what our y will be quickly. Let's see what our y will be quickly. We can find our y from here. If 32 is equal to y, then we can write that 4y is equal to 32. Then y alone will be 32 divided by 4, and that will be 8. So y is equal to 8 centimeter. If that is true, it means you have to replace 8 in these expressions, and that will result to this problem. Our final value for y is 8, but the unknown side precisely. Therefore, y plus 6 will be 8 plus 6. That will give us 14 centimeter. And y minus 3 will be 8 minus 3. That will give us 5 centimeter. That is what we have. So this the rectangle is actually 14 centimeter and 5 centimeter. If you find the perimeter of this shape, you end up having 38 as your answer. So it is as simple as this. It's not a difficult problem to deal with. Once you're given a problem of such to deal with, ensure you state the formula. State your formula and get the right answer. State the formula, get the right answer, and see how it works. You're going to solve and get the correct answer. So carefully go through your class again, and I will see you in the next class, and I'll give you more problems to solve yourself. Thank you.